Hello, little kids. Today, we are going to learn about animals and the sounds they make. Get ready to have some fun with me as we meet each animal and hear their special sounds.
Hi, I am elephant. Elephant. Hi, I am tiger. Tiger. Hi, I am lion. Lion. I am giraffe. Giraffe. Hi, I am penguin. Penguin. Hi, I am dolphin. Dolphin. Hi, I am gorilla. Gorilla. Hi, I am cheetah. Cheetah. Hi, I am panda. Panda. Hi, I am leopard. Leopard. Hi, I am hippo. Hippo. Hi, I am rhino. Rhino. Hi, I am crocodile. Crocodile. I am kangaroo. Kangaroo. Hi, I am zebra. Zebra. Hi, I am wolf. Wolf. Hi, I am cat. Cat. Hi, I am dog. Dog. Hi, I am bison. Bison. Hi, I am fox. Fox. Hi, I am owl.